comments.
Yes, Your Honor.
As to what's going on, because I understand that the two matters you brought in here are not the only two matters that you filed. I understand you filed quite a few complaints. So all those complaints are now being pulled to be brought up to me.
Wonderful.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, some of them, this for example, did you fill this out?
I did, sir.
Did you fill this out?
I did, sir.
Okay, why did you fill this out on this one, but not on these?
So I was
What's the difference?
I initially turned in those 5, sir, the other day. The clerk down there did not mention that I needed to fill out that part. Today, when I went to turn in these additional 2, that's when the gentleman at the clerk's office noticed that was blank and instructed me to fill that out.
Okay, so I have all of these that have not been filled out.
I'd be happy to complete
And
those
I
if
don't
you'd
know
like.
how many more there are. In addition, let me use this for an example.
Yes, sir.
You're seeking to have, who are you seeking to have charged?
Officer Bass with the Columbus Division of Police, sir. I reported numerous criminal offenses to him. And
Do you know Bass's first name?
no, sir, I do not.
Okay, so if there's more than 1 or 2 Basses, we can only hope that a badge number will get us to the right Bass.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got you there. Now, you're seeking to charge him with a second degree what?
I'll look up the code, sir. 2921.44.
No, a second degree misdemeanor or a second degree felony?
I'll have to look, sir. I'll have to look and see what that code relates to.
You understand that not having misdemeanor or felony marked, I have no way of knowing whether what you're seeking to have them charged with is a misdemeanor or a felony. Do you understand that?
I do, Your Honor.
So how would I know from your complaint?
Sir, I'll be happy to correct that error if I may.
Question.
I understand.
How would I know?
By referencing the Ohio Revised Code statute that's...
I can't fill in stuff and assume.
I understand, sir. I'd be happy to amend that if I may. As a citizen, those were my first
Well, the
criminal
problem
complaints.
is, you've already filed them.
Okay.
So you can't then go back and change what you've already filed.
Okay.
Now look at this one, for example. You see this one? What did you put here?
One is a misdemeanor, one is a felony,
Okay.
and one is...
That doesn't work.
Okay.
You can't put multiple charges in one complaint. They gotta be separate complaints.
Okay, Your Honor.
You with me?
I am, sir.
Now, there's a pattern here with these filings. And it looks like, no, I think this is just your supporting documentation here. Okay. So I'm gonna take all of these
Yes, sir.
and the ones that are downstairs that I think you may have filed either on the 3rd. Okay, some of these were filed on July 3rd,
Yes, sir.
some on July 5th.
Yes, sir.
Were there other filing dates that you filed some others?
No, sir. Excuse
They
me.
were either all on the 3rd or the 5th.
Yes, sir.
Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to get them all together
Okay.
because there's a common thread
Yes, sir.
running through these.
Yes, sir.
Most of them appear to be felonies.
Yes, sir.
As I indicated to you earlier, I can't prosecute these cases, and neither can you.
Yes, sir.
The state has to prosecute them if they're gonna be prosecuted.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna contact
Okay.
the Franklin County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, and I'm gonna make them aware of what you filed.
Okay.
And if they're not willing to pursue these, they will go no further.
I understand, Your Honor. May I just say that I didn't want the issues to get too confused and I didn't want it to get too complex today. Apparently, we're getting there though. Your Honor, there's also several other criminal complaints that I've not yet filed. Included in those, sir, are complaints naming the Franklin County prosecutor as violating and the first assistant prosecutor as violating my constitutional rights, my rights as a crime victim. Absolutely every one of my rights as a crime victim have been heinously violated, and as well committing perjury in the common pleas court, saying that I was not cooperating in one case when I was clearly cooperating. So, Your Honor, I guess what I'm saying is, I believe it's appropriate for the Franklin County Prosecutor's Office to be recused and for a special prosecutor to be appointed to review this, because there's systemic misconduct, sir, within the prosecutor's office that needs addressed, and both Mr. Tyak, his office, and the city attorney's office, Mr. Klein, he advised me last week or the week before even that they were going to, because of the misconduct of one of their assistant prosecutors that I've produced evidence of, that they were going to request a special prosecutor, but that's not happening, Your Honor. It's been a nonstop runaround and heinous violation of
So
my
do
rights.
you know who in the county prosecutor's office told you they were gonna get a special prosecutor?
The city prosecutor's office, Your Honor.
I thought I heard you say you spoke to someone in the county prosecutor's office who told you it would be improper for them to stay on the case and they were gonna get a special prosecutor. Did I mishear you?
I may have misspoke, Your Honor. I mentioned both the county and the city prosecutor's offices.
Did both of them tell you that?
No, sir. The city prosecutor's office, I was reporting threats to my personal safety that had been made as a victim of crime last week. They refused to act, and in response, I noted that they were in criminal violation for failing to protect me.
Then what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna just interface with the county prosecutor's office, I'm gonna interface with both offices,
Wonderful, Your Honor.
okay? And
God bless you, sir.
it may take me the rest of the day or Monday to do that.
Yes, sir.
Do I have your card, and this is a good phone number for you on here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll know how to reach you.
Yes, sir. And I will be, if you'd like, Your Honor, I will be kind of standing by in the area today. So if you have any questions or need testimony on the record, I'll be happy to provide that as we go forward.
That's not gonna happen today.
Okay.
Because it's the day after a holiday. I'm not sure who I'm gonna get in touch with yet today,
Yes, sir.
but I'm gonna put in the calls. So hopefully somebody will call me back between now and Monday.
Wonderful, sir.
Okay, but I got your number and I know how to reach you.
Would you like me to file the additional complaints in the clerk's office so that all the matters can be
I
reviewed at
wouldn't
once?
file them yet.
Okay.
Because if they're not gonna prosecute, you're basically just filing bad paper.
Right.
Now, if you feel at some point that the state system is denying you
Yes, sir.
the rights that you believe yourself to have, then you had mentioned earlier contacting whom to file a what?
The United States District Court, there'll be a civil action filed, but sir, this is certainly criminal in nature, both the dereliction by police prosecutors in failing to protect the citizens,
Right.
and it's a systemic, sir. It's a matter of public safety, and it's dangerous, sir.
I get what you're saying.
For all of
I get
us.
what you're saying. I don't have any trouble understanding what you're saying.
Yes, sir.
So give me some time to do some legwork on this, and you will hear back from me one way or another.
Thank you very much, Judge Greene. I appreciate
Okay.
you, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
God bless you, brother. Thank you,
You
sir.
too.
Thank you very much. I'll definitely be available for any follow-up you might have, sir.
Okay, that'll work. Take care.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
Jim, you want one of the file?
It is 11:43 a.m. on Friday, July 5th, 2024. Reverend Dr. Andrew D. Winmouth for the people.